We are facing a planetary emergency, but we know what to do. Together, along with Indigenous peoples and local communities, and all relevant stakeholders, we must protect 30% of our lands and oceans and tackle the root causes of biodiversity loss. I am acting now for nature.
J'agis maintenant pour la nature.
I'm acting now
For wildlife.
We need to start putting a stop to this collectively. One person isn't going to make a difference, but one person knows 5 people, and 5 people know 5 more people, and that's just how it spreads.
Our world is in a state of despair, and we have to try and save it.
I'm acting now for a nature-positive world for people.
I'm acting for a nature-positive world for oceans.
Ultimately, the Earth is the one thing that holds all of society in common.
Nature and forests are the supermarket, the pharmacies, and the homes of millions of indigenous peoples who are the best guardian of our planet.
I am acting now
for sustainable cities.
Together we join hands as one community to address urgently this crisis.
I'm acting for a nature-positive world.
For climate. Together, we can secure an equitable,
nature-positive, net-zero emissions world for all.
The race is on.